beauties, it's Nita, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my easy 5 to 10 minute everyday makeup routine. This is perfect if you're a mom like me to a toddler, or if you're just a busy woman on the go, if you're a beginner in makeup or don't really wear a lot of makeup. This is perfect for you guys. So if you're interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. But first, make sure you subscribe and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Now, let's do some makeup. Alright, so my face is already moisturized. We're going to start with primer, and I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm just going to apply that on my face. Alright, and then I'm also going to do a little bit of the powder underneath my foundation. So I'm just taking a beauty blender. I'm going to apply just a bit to my cheeks because that is the area that gets super oily for me, and a little bit on my forehead. So we're not doing foundation, but we are going to use a tinted moisturizer, and I've been loving this one from ColourPop Cosmetics, the Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizer in the shade Deep Dark 21W. So I'm just gonna apply it directly to my face a bit. All right. And I'm just gonna take my foundation brush and buff it out. Now I do see a lot of people using their hands to apply the tinted moisturizer because it is still a moisturizer with just a little bit of color. Tinted moisturizer is similar to like lip gloss for your lips. That's kind of the amount of coverage it has, which is not much at all. It's very lightweight, so a lot of people do tend to apply it with their fingers, but I don't like having product all over my hands, especially when I'm getting ready, because I am that person that will forget to wash their hands, and I'll be the guy on my clothes and my daughter's clothes, and yeah. So I just prefer to use brushes, but you can definitely use your hands for this step. And as you can see, you know, it gave a little bit of coverage, but we're still looking very, very natural. Now, if you have darker marks on your face, like I have some areas here, then you can take a you can take a skin tone concealer and just dab it over those areas. This is 5 minutes. I don't have time for all this, so I'm not gonna do it, but that is an option for you guys. So next, I am going to use a bit of concealer under my eyes just to wake up. And I am using the Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. And I'm gonna blend out my concealer with this small brush here. I also like to put a bit of that concealer under my eyebrow because I feel like it just gives it that lifted look without the full-on sculpting of the brow. Right, so I'm gonna take that foundation brush again and just go over that concealer just to blend it out, and I'm going over the concealer as a whole just to make sure that it is nice and blended. So now we're looking a lot more awake, and next I'm going to do the brows, and I'm using the Benefit brow pencil, and I'm going to first just brush our brow hairs up. I do have my eyebrows microbladed, so I really don't do a lot to them. And ladies, that is another tip. If you're short on time and you're not good at your brows, invest in microblading. That was some of the best money I could have ever spent. So I don't really do much to my brows, but I do like to extend my tail a little bit on this side. And because again, we're going for a very natural, no makeup look, we don't want to do a whole lot to the brows. So I'm literally just filling in areas that I want to look a little bit fuller. That's it. All right, so next we're gonna set everything, and I'm going to use my Glam Galore Club Cosmetics translucent powder, and I'm using a beauty blender, and I'm gonna set my entire face. So I set under my eyes with a beauty blender, and then I set the rest of my face with a larger brush. I'm using the same foundation brush that I used for that tinted moisturizer, and I'm just gonna brush over my face with that. Okay, we're almost done. So next I'm going to apply some mascara to the top and bottom lashes. And next we're going to add a bit of blush. I have been loving this stick cream blush from ColourPop Cosmetics. If you don't have a cream blush, a regular blush is just, well actually, you know what? I'm gonna use a regular blush because I'm sure most people don't have a cream blush. So let's just use a regular blush. And I'm going to use this orange shade out of this blush palette that I have. Y'all know how I feel about an orange blush. I'm gonna pop that into the cheeks just to bring some color back into the face. And last but not least, you can pop on your favorite lip gloss if you want to do a lipstick, whatever you want to do, and voila, this is my version of a 5-minute quick out the door Zoom meeting whatever face, just to look put together and nice. Okay, so now we're going to amp it up a bit. I'm going to apply a contour powder. I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm gonna add some dimension back into the face. Just go around the hairline and the jaw area. And I'm going to do it down the sides of my nose as well. And I apply that same color just right here, just whatever's left, just that quick. So next we're going to apply our highlights, and I have been loving this one from Glam Galore Club Cosmetics in the shade Sugar Daddy. And I'm just using a really light hand to apply it because we don't have on much makeup. I don't want the highlight to be like crazy overbearing. So I'm applying to the apples of my cheeks, the center of the nose, pop it on our forehead, give us a good glow for the summer. I'm also gonna apply it, just using I will use my finger for this. I'm gonna apply it to the brow bone here. like so. Okay, so next we're gonna apply some lipstick. Again, lipstick is totally optional. You can stick to a gloss if you're not a lipstick girl, or again if you're short on time, but I'm just gonna do a nude lip. And I'm going to apply my favorite nude, which is the Glam Galore Club Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Bare. And then I'm going to pop a gloss over it really quickly. Alright you guys, so drop a comment down below and let me know if this is helpful for you guys. And if you want more tutorials that are quick for my women on the go, or you don't have a whole lot of time, if you want something that's about 15 minutes, I can definitely do some more tutorials for you guys for my women on the go. I'll be honest, I can't do nothing else that's 5 minutes, because you need at least, you know, to do more than this, you're gonna need at least a good 15 minutes or so. So if y'all want something like that, comment down below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.